Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Pinterest isn't a social media platform in the traditional sense. It's more like a visual search engine and discovery platform where users plan and save videos and ideas. Understanding this mindset is the key to using it effectively. So, in today's small tutorial, we want to go through how to actually use this app fully, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, we should go and understand the mindset. More than 50% of Pinterest users visit with shopping intent. They are not scrolling aimlessly, they are planning, searching, and saving for future reference. 96% of searches on Pinterest do not include a brand name, meaning users are discovering new products through searches and recommendations. So, you can create a business account. Convert to a business account to unlock analytics, advertising features, and product pins. This is the foundation for any serious Pinterest activity. You can use the right visual format as well. Pinterest favors vertical images with 2:3 aspect ratio. Portrait images outperform square or landscape every time. You can also try to optimize your text for search. Hashtags no longer work for discovery, so you can use real plain language words in pin titles, descriptions, board names, descriptions, a lot of this. You can also create helpful, inspirational content if you want to. And that's the main idea. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.